So we're doing mulch at the hospital today, just the front islands. And I'm going to show you why the teleskid is so useful for getting mulch out of your truck. With a normal skid steer, you would have to lift your dump body up and up and up and up several times to get every little bit of mulch. With the teleskid, this is simply what you do. Just like that, full bucket of mulch without tipping your dump body up. Put other attachments on, it's kind of a big deal, and we do a lot of stuff with big buckets, a lot of stuff with snow and mulch, and we always need to have a big bucket on. And with us, it's kind of a nightmare to have a big implement on just to step over it. JCB is way better because you can just go around it and get in the side door. A lot faster and easier with the JCB. So access definitely goes to JCB. Feet room, I'm kind of a tall guy and my knees are basically at a 90-degree angle, fully extended right now. My JCBs definitely have a longer cab going that way for foot room. So here's the interior of the JCB. So basically in the Kubota, I'm at this angle, legs at a 90-degree. But in this, I can stretch my leg so it's absolutely straight, which you can definitely not do in that Kubota. So definitely when you want to stretch your legs, it's much better in this than the Kubota cab. It's because this has two booms, so you got one on each side that are going to get in the way, and also you have a bar running back there that's going to get in the way as well. Obviously a camera could solve that, but it's just nice to the JCB just because you have, you know, best in class visibility. Obviously the visibility, only one boom. You can see out this side completely, and the back, there's no bar in the way. You can see the visibility difference with the boom in. You know, I can't really see my blade good, but with the boom out, you know, you got much better visibility. Clearly see the gravel that you're pulling, and you can also pull more gravel. It's just a good video to show you, you know, how far away you can stay away from your truck and still load it in. It's definitely very useful for sure.